Welcome to the Canva Classroom, everybody. Today's tutorial is an expansion on the 30-second short lesson from last week because a viewer requested a little more information. I am here to help you out. Go to canva.com/colors to find some amazing color palette ideas. You can type in any word you want. Let's try peach, and it will bring up a whole bunch of different options for you. And you can click it and learn more about each color. You can copy the colors and then go and use that color in your design. When you click an item, a color box will pop up. You will click the color, and the search bar is where you paste in your color code. And then you click it, and there it is. Now, the good thing about this is that it also gives you other color palette ideas. What I really like to do, go to the Elements tab and type in grid. And let's just grab a 4-panel grid like this. I'm going to click on this left one, click the color, and I can add the color to my grid. Then let's go get chili pepper. We can click the next one, paste in the color code. Here you go. Here's peach, copied it, go back to the design, click the third one, paste it in, and finally, here's the fourth one, click copy, go back here, click the fourth grid, and there it is. Now, when you do your text, T on your keyboard for text, when I click it, here's the color. All the colors are going to be there in my document colors. I can create my design from that now. Can use a template, change things to look the way I want them. Let's change it to that black, and change all will change everything that's black to that one color. And it changed across all of the pages. I hope this expanded on it a little bit. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below because you never know when it will inspire a new Canva tutorial. In the meantime, I recommend checking out the video on the left, especially if you're a content creator. I think you're going to find it really helpful. I'll see you there. Until next time. Bye.